All is well, everyone. Welcome back. Today, in our session, we are going to discuss the functional relationships and the related problems. First is E into S is equal to G into W. G is the specific gravity, W is the water content, S is the saturation, E is the void ratio. And what is the difference between void ratio and porosity? That we have said that we will discuss it now. N is equal to E by 1 plus E, and E is equal to N by 1 minus N. So these two are the relations. Then we have studied this also. Air content will be 1 minus SR, and SR will be 1 minus air content. Fourth one is gamma is equal to G gamma W into 1 plus E by 1 plus W by 1 plus E, or G gamma W into 1 plus W into 1 minus N, or gamma W into G plus E into S by 1 plus E. Next one. So you have to use all these equations anywhere which is given. Regarding that only you have to use it. So if W and N and G is given, you can use this equation. So if saturation is given additional and G is not given, you can use and saturation is given also, then you can use this equation. So this is the way you have to understand. That is why I have written in a correct order. Next is gamma saturated is gamma W into G plus E by 1 plus E, and gamma submerged is gamma W into G minus 1 by 1 plus E. Then gamma dry will be G gamma W by 1 plus E, or gamma by 1 plus W, or G gamma W into 1 minus N, or G gamma W by 1 plus WG by S, because E into S is G into W. By the way, we have formed this equation. Now all these equations with the bulk density we can write in terms of gamma. We can write 1 plus E, or G gamma W into 1 plus W into 1 minus N, or gamma W into G plus ES by 1 plus E, 1 plus E. Then gamma saturated is gamma W into G plus E by 1 plus E, and gamma submerged is equal to gamma W into G minus 1 by 1 plus E. G gamma W by 1 plus E, or gamma by 1 plus W, or G gamma W into 1 minus N, or G gamma W by 1 plus WG by S. Now most important you have to remember density. Dry density will be gamma saturated minus gamma W into G by G minus 1. And this is most important. V1 by V2 will be the ratio of 1 plus E1 by 1 plus E2, and will be gamma D2 by gamma D1. Or density index will be ID is equal to E max minus E by maximum porosity minus minimum porosity. Or one more equation is there for ID, gamma D max by gamma D into gamma D minus gamma D min by gamma D max minus gamma D minimum. Next we will do two problems related with this. Then the balance we will be discussing in the next session problems. First question. Saturated unit weight is given as 19.5 kilonewton per meter cube and specific gravity of soil solid is given as 2.65 and determine its dry unit weight. This is the question. So which equation we will use? Just now only we have studied that. Gamma dry will be gamma sat minus gamma w into g by g minus n. What is gamma sat? 19.5. Gamma w will be always a value 9.81. Sometimes in case we will take as 10 also. Into g 2.65 by 2.65 minus 1. So when you do this in virtual calculator, because calculator is not allowed inside GATE examination, so you will be given a virtual calculator. In that you can do it and the answer will be 15.56 kilonewton per meter cube. Next question. The weight of a container is 40 gram. So next question is the weight of a container is 40 gram and the weight of container plus wet soil is 100 gram and on oven drying the weight of container with the dry soil is 80 gram and you have to find the water content or moisture content. So you know the weight of container, it is 40 gram and weight of container plus wet soil, it is 100 gram and the weight of container and dry soil, it is 80 grams. So weight of container and weight of wet soil and dry soil, when we take the difference, weight of container plus weight of soil is 100 grams. So weight of container already it is 40. So you will understand what is weight of soil. Wet soil, what is the weight of wet soil? It is 100 minus 40, that is 60 grams. Here also weight of container is 40. So what is the weight of dry soil? It is minus 40. It is 40 grams. So what is the difference between dry soil and wet soil? So we will get the water. What is the weight of water? We will get the difference is 20 grams. And what is moisture content or water content? It is a ratio of WW by WS into 100. So what is WW? 20. What is WS? That means dry soil weight. It is 40 into 100. So it will be 25 and 25 into 2, that is 50% is the water content or the moisture content. Tomorrow we will be discussing the balance of the problems. So please keep watch all the videos till the end and please do comment your genuine comments on the comment box. If you like the session, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed the channel till the end, till now, please subscribe it and for getting the upcoming notifications, please click the bell icon nearby the subscription. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.